Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to import price list with multiple unit of measurements in SAP without data transfer workbench. This is very useful for companies who have frequent price changes and you don't want users to import through data transfer workbench. You can simply teach them how to use the data import feature in SAP Business One. So in order to import the price list in SAP Business One menu, go to Administration, Data Import, and choose Import from Excel and select the items. After selecting the items, select the item number, which is the item code in the template. These are basically the columns which will be in the template. I'll show you the template also. And the moment you select the price list code, system will automatically add the columns which are relevant for the price list. Here is the template which I'll use to import the price in SAP Business One on a specific price list. So let me open the item master data. So for example, I have an item bottles and I want to import price in the distributor sale price. So in my template, the first column is item code, then price list number. You can find the price list number by enabling the system information. And once you hover your cursor over the price list field in item master data, you will see the price list number here. Or alternatively, you can also query OPLN table to find out the price list number in the SAP Business One database. So price list for number for the price list distributor sales price is number 5. Then the price, primary currency, and then the additional fields if you want to upload the price in additional currencies, and the last column is about the unit of measurements. So at the moment I have two different unit of measurements in the UOM bottles. If you want to have a look, bottles and cases, and $8 price for bottles and $15 price for the unit of measurement cases. These are just examples. So before I import, I need to remove the first row from the Excel sheet and I'll have to save it as a txt file tab delimited. Okay, it's already saved. I'll just overwrite it. And then in the import from Excel utility in SAP Business One, I'll simply select the file to import. I have here price list. And I have some additional options like add new records and update existing or only update existing records. And if there is something related to item groups, I'll simply ignore them and I'll click on the import button. So two records have been updated successfully. I'll refresh the screen. Okay, and I can see in the distributor price list, $8 price is showing for the item bottles. If I click on this button, I can see there is a price for the unit of measurement cases also. Similarly, if you want to upload multiple prices, you can upload, if you want to upload multiple price lists in SAP in one shot, you can also upload them by using the feature price list in the import from Excel wizard. And in the example which I presented now, I just used one item and one price list. You can have multiple price lists, multiple items, even in this scenario also. The difference between uploading of price list from items and price list is the price list is for the upload of simple items without unit of measurement. If you do have multiple UOMs, then you should use the items to update the or to upload the prices in SAP Business One. Thank you very much for watching this video.